If you're shopping for an external streaming device, you've no doubt come across Roku streamers. If these easy-to-use and versatile streamers are on your shortlist, you might be wondering which one is right for you and for your situation. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com and Best Buy Canada's blog, and there's a few different Roku models out there, so you might be wondering how you choose between them. We'll take a look at which of these Roku devices is right for you when it comes to the Roku Premeire, Roku Express, and Roku Streaming Stick Plus. By the way, if you want to watch the full review of these devices, it is right here on the YouTube channel. And by the way, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and give us a sub because it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Each of these devices, the Roku Premeire, Roku Express, and Roku Streaming Stick Plus, is similar to some extent. They are external devices made to connect to your home's Wi-Fi to let you access streaming TV like Netflix and Prime Video, or free alternatives like the Roku channel or YouTube. Each device comes with the iconic Roku remote, which allows you quick access and control over your device, or you can download and use the Roku remote app if you prefer smartphone control. The app also offers private listening where you can redirect the audio to headphones if you wish.
Which one of these streamers you choose will have less to do with the features on the Roku operating system and more to do with some key decisions you're going to need to make before you buy. So let's dig in. Decision number one has to do with your TV's resolution. That's the first thing you're going to look at when deciding which Roku you need. The resolution of your TV, of course, is the number of pixels in the screen that makes it look either a little bit on the grainy side or ultra sharp. Older TVs tend to be HD or even SD resolution, and that's high definition or standard definition resolution, while newer TVs are usually 4K resolution, but in some cases even up to 8K. If you have an older TV that's HD, all you need is the HD-capable Roku Express. Now, if you have an older TV but you do plan to upgrade soon, you should choose a Roku streamer that has 4K resolution, since it's going to work just fine with your older TV right now anyway. In this case, the Roku Premeire or Streaming Stick Plus are going to be your go-tos, depending on some of these other factors that we'll take a look at. If you already own a 4K TV, then you need the 4K ready Roku Premeire or Roku Streaming Stick Plus. An Express will not deliver the proper resolution you need. Decision number two has to do with speed and distance. Depending on where your TV is in proximity to your Wi-Fi router, you might need a more powerful streamer. If it's relatively close, the Premeire or the Express should do you just fine. If you've got some distance to cover, maybe up a few flights of stairs, you should choose the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. It's got the ability to boost signals and still deliver on the speeds needed for 4K video streams. Decision number three has to do with price or your budget. The last major choice you'll make is cost. Not surprisingly, the HD-only Roku Express is the most inexpensive Roku streamer. That's followed by the Premeire, and then the Streaming Stick Plus is on top of the pile. Roku Express is $39, Premeire is $49, and the Roku Streaming Stick Plus is $89. Depending on your budget, you can choose accordingly. If you want to read more about any of these devices, head to blog.bestbuy.ca. We've posted a full review of each of those Roku devices, and you can ask us any questions you have either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give us a sub. It does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram. Until the next time, I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada. And if you have an older TV but you plan to upgrade soon, you should choose a Roku. But if you've got some distance to cover, maybe you're up a few flights of stairs from your router or your modem.